Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on our channel GyanSeReality, where we bring you interesting stories and amazing facts. Every year on March 14th, math lovers around the world celebrate a number. Not a person, not a place, but a number. That number is pi, or as you know it, pi. It's irrational, it's infinite, and it might just be the most fascinating number in the universe. Welcome to the story of Pi Day, where we dive into the history, the mystery, and the celebration of the number that never ends. Friends, before we move ahead, a small request. If you find our content even slightly enjoyable, please like and subscribe. It motivates us to create even better content. So what is pi really? Pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter. No matter how big or small the circle, this ratio will always be the same, approximately 3.14159. But here's the twist. Pi is an irrational number. It can't be expressed as a simple fraction. Its decimal representation goes on forever, without repeating. And that's just the beginning. Pi has fascinated mathematicians for over 4,000 years. From ancient Babylonians to modern computers, the chase for more and more digits of pi continues even today. But how did this mathematical constant earn its own day of celebration? Let's explore. Pi Day is celebrated every year on March 14th because the date resembles the first three digits of pi 3.14. The credit for officially starting Pi Day goes to physicist Larry Shaw, who organized the first known celebration in 1988 at the San Francisco Exploratorium. There were circular snacks, pie-eating contests, and even people marching in circles. The idea spread, and today, Pi Day is celebrated in schools, universities, and science communities across the globe. But there's more to this date than meets the eye. Did you know that March 14th is also Albert Einstein's birthday? Yes, the genius of relativity shares a birthday with the most famous number in mathematics. A poetic coincidence. The concept of pi dates back to ancient civilizations. Babylonians estimated pi as 3.125. Egyptians used 3.16049 in the Rhind Papyrus. Archimedes, the legendary Greek mathematician, was the first to give a rigorous method to approximate pi using polygons. Over time, the approximations got better. In India, Aryabhata used 3.1416. Chinese mathematician Zhu Chongzhe calculated pi to 7 decimal places. Fast forward to the modern era. Mathematicians like Leonhard Euler, Ramanujan, and Ludolf van Ceulen, who calculated pi to 35 digits by hand, devoted parts of their lives to pi. And today, supercomputers have calculated over 100 trillion digits of pi and counting. Pi Day isn't just about numbers. It's also about having fun with math. Here's how people celebrate around the world. Eating pie. Yes, actual pies, fruit pies, pizza pies, even pie-shaped cakes. Pi recitation contests, where students try to memorize and recite hundreds or even thousands of digits of pi art and crafts creative projects like pi bracelets, pi skyline posters, and more. Math talks and quizzes. Universities host lectures and games related to the beauty of mathematics. In some places, people celebrate Pi Approximation Day on July 22nd because 22/7 is a well-known fractional approximation of pi. And in 2009, the US House of Representatives officially recognized March 14th as National Pi Day. That's how seriously nerdy we've become. Here are some mind-blowing facts about pi that'll make you see this number in a whole new light. Pi has no end. No matter how far you go, you'll never reach the end of its decimal expansion. Pi has no pattern. Its digits go on infinitely and do not repeat or follow a predictable sequence. People have memorized tens of thousands of digits. The current world record, over 70,000 digits recited from memory. Pi appears in unexpected places, not just in geometry but in physics, statistics, quantum mechanics, even probability and number theory. Pi is used in GPS and engineering. Your smartphone's maps, satellite signals, and engineering designs wouldn't work without pi. NASA uses pi to calculate the trajectories of space probes. It helps us reach other planets. Pi shows up in nature. From the shapes of rivers to the spirals of galaxies, pi is everywhere. And here's a fun one. The first 6 digits of pi, 3.14159 appear in Bill Gates' name if you convert it into ACI code and translate it to hexadecimal. Coincidence? Maybe. But it's enough to excite math geeks. So, why do we care so much about pi? Because pi isn't just a number, it's a symbol of mystery, beauty, and the never-ending quest for knowledge. It reminds us that some things in the universe are infinite, that even with our best tools, there are concepts that will always elude our full understanding. It represents the curiosity of humanity, our urge to explore, to measure, to understand. From ancient geometry to modern-day quantum physics, pi has been with us, guiding the way. So next time you eat a slice of pie, or draw a circle, or hear someone mention 3.14, remember, you're touching a number that connects the past, present, and future of human knowledge. Happy Pi Day! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel GyanSeReality for more fascinating stories that blend math, history, and mystery. Comment below. What's your favorite pi fact? Or how many digits of pi can you remember? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.